everybody. Sir, tell me your name again.
My name is Clarence Jackson.
Clarence, and what are you doing here today?
I want to jump off out of a perfectly good plane.
Perfectly good plane. So you think this thing's perfectly good?
I see a couple dents, but I think it's perfect.
Awesome, awesome. Well, you got your fancy get up on. I see some clips.
Yeah.
I think, is that danger right there in like 3 or 4 languages, man? You trying to live a little dangerous today?
Hell, I mean, I can't cuss. Can I cuss? Hell yeah.
It's your video, man. You do what you want. Awesome. So who is this beautiful young lady right here with you?
That is my beautiful girlfriend there.
Awesome, awesome. Now, I heard she jumped one time before.
Yeah, she jumped before.
When it was warm, so it doesn't count as much.
Yeah, she's a wolf, so don't count.
Awesome, awesome. Where are y'all from?
Birmingham, Alabama.
Down in Birmingham. Would you leave anyone down in Birmingham? We're going to say see you later, too, because we're not going to say goodbye.
Well, think about it.
Awesome, awesome. Are you ready to get in there and have fun?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go to 14,000 and do this.
Only 6 o'clock in the morning and my heartbeat is out of control. 10 minutes into boarding, feels like I'm about to explode. Time for the rider, tension started to swirl. I can't believe I'm gonna free fall from the top of the world. Senses peaked with a crazy anticipation. Feeling like this, tell me how the hell can I be patient? Jumpsuit rig, Google helmet all in place. Double checking just in case. I'm elated, baby, freedom one green light away, and I just can't wait.
Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah.
Spread my wings, time to fly. One step out, all it takes for me to touch the sky. So amazing, so liberating. 12,000 feet, AGL, so breathtaking. Belly down, watch me now. 4 minutes of pleasure without any spark of distraction around. State of mind, euphoria, wish could last forever.
Boom, there it is. How was that, man?
Awesome. Awesome. Thank you, guys.
Sweet. All right, you're free from him. Give me a hand. Oh, wait, you're not free. Them gloves. Up. Up. There we go. Now we're free. Woo. Awesome, man. Hey, high five here. How was that?
That was awesome.
Nice. What was the best part?
Woo. Free fall.
The free fall?
Yeah.
Awesome, dude. That's what most people say. Give this guy a high five.
How you doing?
He got you down safe and sound.
Thank you, dude.
Woo. All right, man. Give us a thumbs up. Awesome. Thanks for joining us in Skydive Alabama.